welcome to Nature Walk.
We're here observing the wild lives of college students here on the University of Oklahoma campus.
And wild it is. We have herds, we have alpha males, we have lioness pack leaders, we have the outcasts. We will watch them as they graze,
as they find their watering holes,
as they slay
and we'll
them.
look at courting rituals.
The disgusting rituals that they call. Come on this adventure with us as we explore the ins and outs of this vast plain of Oklahoma. Hello! Now, this is where the herds of the university students are tromping to and from class. If you look behind me, we have herds of them going back and forth. Please zoom in on see the faces of our specimens. Now we will see the strange behaviors as the two species interact together. I have no idea what they're doing. I don't know why they're dressed up as they are, but look at how odd they act together.
I'm the fashion show guy.
A friend of ours is running for the campus activities council chair. Melissa Mack. It's MM. So we're M&Ms.
Back here as we see how they've littered the ground and walkways with their strange symbols.
What do they mean? I don't even know. But look at the material they've written them in. It doesn't stay. It's yellow. What so strange. So odd these creatures are. I do not understand them. I don't know. Let's go inside their grazing area and find out more.
Sparrows, chick-fil-A, laughing tomato. And here are the grazing grounds of the students. They dine on things such as Sbarros and Chick-fil-A's
And the laughing tomato.
They'll sit here for hours filling their guts with junk food and grease.
Disgusting. And they let the food fall from their mouths.
No napkins.
Ever.
Let's watch.
Let's watch as their disgusting habits unfold.
There it is, a college student sleeping in its natural habitat.
Thank you for joining us on Nature Walk. We hope you enjoyed this adventure with us. No students were harmed in the making of this video.